cumudul dah ke selam. Kan long kumno sarai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu dah.
Ideng buon pak cakah sana mah. Atrai di pentip nai kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Tornado Security Agency Training Center ka balong kawai ka Islam IG kai yaki khana samla hakikam apahara kabala itu ada ketanat pulit jong sorkar jala kabadan halum honsen mauyong rim haka apapratri urum pang a ja apun rio kala penkut yak passing out parit jong ka batch ka bakhat pra kabadan sanpui ngut ki samlashin rang bat kenthei hakani ka singila sakhilang Superintendent Officer in Charge ka Government Run Children's Home Girls ka kong Euphenia Finola nongrum kharbi kabalong kum kongsan bat ka Superintendent Officer in Charge Government Run Children's Home Boys ka kong lahun lang rapsang kabalalong kum kasumbut kongsan haringkat ke jingwan sakhi jong ki khana jong ka Children's Home Boys and Girls ki kemi khpa jong ki samla ka bala pendap ya ki jingsha hi kai pentebet
Kajingwan chong thi ka ai men sim yangi bat ka long ru ka ba pen chong shet ya kan ye ka program jongi khublei shibon ye phi baro ublei un kun khu ye phi bat khado ngai ngapdiang subha ye phi ki khin ai khublei ru ya kini ki hep ki baret ki bala don lingkat pangi menta kasni kajingdon chong thi ka ai men sim yangi bat ka pen chong shet ru kum jo ngapdiang subha ru isa anol lanong ibalong. God will bless you, sir. Ngapdia subharu isa saganon.
So I request all the trainees, please raise your right hands and repeat after me. Next. Next, throwing ticket.
Jane Timothy! Hey! Charlie Group, hey! Charlie Group, hey!
Trainers, the trainees, the parents of the trainees, our dear participants, the staff from Children's Home Boys and Children's Home Girls, and all the children. I'm so honored to be here. I would like to extend my grateful and my sincerest greetings and best regards from the Department of Social Welfare and from the Child Welfare Committee, who has given the permission for these children in need of care and protection to be present here in this auspicious occasion, for letting our children and us, the staff, to be a part of this memorable day. It will be a remarkable moment for the organization and for us, the government representatives as well. We are excited to be here, and it's also our first time. The first thing that entering here is the environment. We are so blessed with Meghalaya. We are so blessed with this state of us, the region that you selected in this area. It's very important because of this training. We are thankful for the generous heart that you have for reaching out to us in Maugasiam, for your visit. It's an inspiration to these children and to us that somebody is out there to care. We are here to have each other's back, to care for one another and to support each other. And to the parents who are here, or the siblings, or the elders, or the uncle and auntie, we salute you and we congratulate you for selecting and for supporting your children to be a part of this program in this organization. I pray and I give my wishes and regards that this organization will grow. This is just the beginning of many things ahead to come, that the government will recognize all these efforts, all these hard work that you've put into, with the vision and the mission from the moment that you set up a milestone in preparing this. I would like to say a few words to these young cadets out here. Give your best. I go bahatam ek baphilia. Wadum sngap ikishkor shane bashte defi sngap ikibrio hinumla bankio. Wadum kan randien ya chakmat yegalinti ke bapilashim. Kalong gajing ay mensi mi khna gijing hang bangin ni pej hante khna ki be ya liba shibun mo gijing e badan na pring changki ki be trai shitam ban long brio ban man brio ngasngap gijing roi men ne ba phithau ngong ani gilong talented ya itanan gijing long discipline ka jong phi manu ba thau to gijing roi bri lang kur khu ye phi but it is sur jing roi ba phi ken on ki kin tin ba phi gran hang to ka ba phi ong ba kini ki trainers hang ne kini ki organizers mo ki director ki ba pen yat ki long kum ki me ki pa ki jong phi ka ot ka ba phi shim mentan ka ba phi gran ka ba phi dan kanu ka ba mut la pila lit ban tray mo la dan assign ta kam ye phi kini ki dang masanda ka jong phi ban guide ne phi ban pen ye ka em ka bha ka miat ka jong phi amdi tang bala dap ka training pila tray ka kam lakot hende pidan po ka jingpet ka jongki kata ki bas no ternat ba kata ka security ka ba pi shikwe piru piyo lang ka security nang niya habang iong ni ka tornado mo na soto ka jing na tornado na perkhat iong ka basya lang ka baklan katang ka jingot habang tornado di piru habang asim ni ka kerdan respect buram ya ka badge buram ya ka yang nang ni ka jaga ya ka pila yo ka jingkai ya ka pila yo ya ka training what nam klat buram ya ka ki ka pila come tam in duty snobha what di what bam respect. Pendan buram ya kan ke organisation bakan kiu. Nilang ma jong phi baki dak kishin ki kam kin pau. Ki kam kin kran. Am ga jinga thu khana ji gibriu. Hende ka kam ka bapi le ha ka jaka ka bapi dan ma pher. Ngayos ngau dan idan Robert Hospital dan hapo Woodland mo. Nang tadi hapo Nazareth Hospital ru ngayos ngau. Ai bakan long ki ka kam jong phi kan kran briu. Haon ni dai bu pat ba. Gibriu gidan ha ka jong ka jinglong ka jong ki bas new jinglong ka ba khor ka tien ting kim sung thu ai ka ba ki kran ka pan mong ye phi pila ban sumong pila ban jau uman you might feel insulted ngamat ngala tre ka kam pat ba khat ngirus nam kam ding ka basuk ngim la ban pin sum ha you pat ba what you shim man mong had no jong phi hab ong tornado hab ong kita ki bouncers ki ka ba ki wan bounce back kan ki ka ba ki kran what shim don't take it too hard wale ban thia man miet ba ki tien ka ba ki kran bounce it back let it go back to them ki ka ba ki kran what kit phi kam dei phi ban kit ya ta ki bro ha ka terpeng ka jong phi ha ka jong mo chipur khat ka jong phi ka kam ka jong phi le hok ya ka kam wa banga training kong hade banga dap ka jing puli nong kan wan na mi Las tang ban training kong itu dap ijonga ilang lai hajar. Mau beli pendap kumno ura ka upun kiu. Ni kong li kumno beli tala beli shabi ko office. Hande nga trainer do ka do na do ka mensiam. Ni don kam ban i ka kam. Na dapem i ka kam. Kumno kan semua tu ka jing koridor ka jongka. Ni don kam ban buram ban i ka kam ka jingi. La ka do ka no ka kam ru. Kam dei ka berit kam dei ka bahir. Kanu ka kam ka ba ayo beli ka rawat uai mo kadan kanong ek baro ba khamtam ko weru kit bok kit ruang ipi ya ka kwat ka khia kalong badan kam ha ka jing kwat ka jing khia ma ki ek ba pin yo ya ka pla ka jing kin show je fi try un pendap ma man dum la bantu ka pla ka jong pi ka num pe na man dala yo ka pisahan dalut ka pang ka stop ka tap ha ya ka kwat ka khia ni nga duai hang ni bangal kur khu ipi mo ble ba wi shakri ba ngi yung ai pi ka kwat ka khia pen rai pen pa kanik organization kin nong pen yan hang ni unang ai ka jing start un ai ka jing champagne ka jong ki un ai ki tactics ki skills ki un ba nong pen ya chu ban ra ya kan ni ka kam ko ble shibon na ka mensiam ka bas ngong nang ye ki hab ki berit ki berang ki khun ki jonga nang tin mau ka siang kheni ki kum ki khun ki jonga bakin yo ka jing hikai kamdan ka jing ko la na preng fi kwa fi yo kon merwan join hang ni dan ni ba ornal min saya collaborate mo idan kini ki senrang asha por yang kili ba kom no kono kur kam phiru phila ban yo merwan training hang ni man yo aki kam ki jam ma kan nang brio pin man brio so thon em kini de ki jing plilat ka jong bli ling ba kini organization bagi one reach out shafi kumni dan kita start nak jing puli dan kita start nak jing puli lagi jong ki talent lagi jong ki jing lam ni baru hablang doktor hablang scientist lut hang tatin nok syo kum mo baru ka jong ka gift gidan tang ko we buram ni ki ba phiyo bat ko we ngko ban on plans fail due to the lack of counsel and advice haba omdan ki counselors haba omdan ki nong salam haba omdan ki nong kintukan phai ki jing ha lenti ki long ki bakan riang but haba ki don ki nong salam haba ki don ki nong kintukan pham ki ban seneng ki ban kraw ye pi kumba pi amanya ka jing wai sungba singap sungba ko ngo sungba hale ya kata obedience is better than sacrifice manya ka ba pi jinjar ko ngo snap ki jing kai na yeng na sem jogini ki organizers ki bal ayat chmat ki bal I yo banai ki bal I ka snishwa ki kam tip kam hamaki ya ba ki ong ke ngap wale sarong o ngala adap ka jing puli ngale ka man nganum buram shu em ndai kum ta kan mang tang ko we long ki bas ngor ka pidang penre dile di blay unang kintiaw yepi lambat ya kanik organization session ko blay
had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.